Hey guys, welcome back to Lucy's Las Vegas. Thanks for subscribing and please like and share this video. Happy early Valentine's Day. We are here at Ethel Chocolate Factory for their Lights of Love display. Grab your Valentine and come walk through these lights of love. Ethel Chocolate Factory is the sweetest place to be this Valentine's Day. Come visit their 7th annual Lights of Love through February 14th, nightly from 5 to 10 p.m. Reservations and a $5 donation, which goes to the 3 Square Food Bank, are required to walk through the gardens. The donation is for an entire group up to 6 people, and reservations can be made online. You can also enjoy their premium wine and chocolate tasting for that extra Valentine's love. Follow your heart and don't forget to stop for those Instagram moments along the way. All the cactuses and plants are dressed up and ready for Valentine's Day. Check out the cuddling cactuses. Even plants need someone to love. Are these plants from the land of Seuss? No. Plants located in this area are native to Nevada and the Mojave Desert. I spy with my little eye, Cupid shooting his arrow. Hope he hits me. Nothing says Valentine's Day like red-barreled cactus. Say hello to the peacocks, looking for their Romeos. A beautiful swan has landed in the gardens, delivering her valentines. Ooh la la, who said you can't go to Paris right now? The city of love is here at Ethel. Cuddle up with your love in front of this floral sign or in the glittering gazebo. Don't forget to steal a few hugs and kisses. Don't forget the best part of being at Ethel Chocolates is picking up some sweets for your Valentine. Take home some decadent chocolates. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed Ethel Chocolate Factory Lights of Love display. Grab your loved ones and come on down before February 14th. Thanks for subscribing and please like and share this video. Happy Valentine's Day and I'll see you next time.